Good morning, students. Today we will continue our ninth chapter, and topic is meaning of adolescence. Adolescence is derived from the Latin word adolescere, which means to grow to maturity. This age begins with changes in a glands of internal secretion. The age of 13 to 19 years, during 13 to 19 years. According to Jareshield, adolescence is the period through which a growing person makes transition from childhood to maturity. चाइल्डहुड से मेच्योरिटी की तरफ होता है ये चेंजेस. अकॉर्डिंग टू Stanley Hall, adolescence is the period of great stress and strain, storm and strife. According to Sadler, adolescence is the period in which a child tries to be capable of doing everything by himself. In this period, child want to do everything by himself only. During this period, many physiological, mental, social and emotional changes take place. There is an extraordinary increase in weight, in height, in bones, in muscles and in strength. Boys start appearing like men and girls like women. Next is problem of adolescence. Owing to various changes, children of this age group face many problems. Physical problem. Many bodies or physical changes take place. Adolescents feel restless and worried. Mental problems. In this age, stress, tension and strife are common. These traits create many mental problems. Problem of aggressive behavior. Children tend to show aggressive behavior. They become very aggressive on small matters. Lack of stability and adjustment. An adolescent does not have complete stability and he or she faces adjustment problems. His or her behavior becomes erratic, unable to adjust with other people's. He or she wants to have, they want a free atmosphere at home without any rules or regulations. Emotional problems. An adolescent is full of emotions. Under the influence of such emotions, he or she performs some uphill task which seems to be impossible in the beginning. He or she feels emotionally disturbed. Problems related to sex, problems of self support, feeling of importance, social problems. Now, next topic is management of problems. During management, which problems they are facing, like education for motor development, education of psychology, sex education, vocational guidance, moral and religious education, to provide suitable environment, educate independence and social education.